Nscn IM Chief Thuingaleng Muivah arrived in Ukhrul district to visit his native village, Somdal, for the first time in 50 years. The Naga leader was welcomed by people in Ukhrul district with warmth and reverence. During a public program that was held at Thuingaleng ground in Ukhrul district headquarters, Pakahau Muivah, wife of Thuingaleng Muivah, read out a message from the leader while informing that Muivah was fatigued from travel. In the message, Thuingaleng Muivah thanked Tangkhul community for their steadfast prayers and expressed gratitude to God for the opportunity to reunite with his people. While maintaining that Nagas are not lost people, TH Muivah reiterated that the framework agreement signed on 3rd of August 2015 should remain the cornerstone in seeking an amicable solution to the long-standing Indo-Naga peace process, while appealing for continued prayers from his people. He also appealed for unity among all church associations and affiliations, describing such harmony as the will of God. He concluded his message by urging everyone to uphold love and forgiveness in the collective effort of nation building, ending with the traditional salute, Kuknalim. On the other hand, Deputy Ato Kilonsar V.S. Atem also read out a message of TH Muivah during the function. In the message, TH Muivah maintained that his revolutionary journey began 6 decades ago from here in Tangkhul country in 1964, while expressing that many people whom he knew and who loved him are missing. Muivah asserted that generation comes and goes, but the nation stays. In the message, TH Muivah reiterated that the Indo-Naga ceasefire and the political peace process began on August 1st of 1997, and thereafter significant and unique political milestones have been achieved during the leadership of late Chairman Isaac Chisi Swu, late Vice Chairman Khodao Yanthan, and himself as the chief political negotiator Nscn GPRN. He maintained that the Nagalim historic national decision for sovereign Nagalim has been defended and consolidated from the battlefield of the negotiating table, while also asserting that it has not surrendered the free existence and sovereignty of Nagalim, and it shall defend the sovereign national decisions of Nagalim to the last. He called upon all Nagas to join the National Salvation Line based on the letter and spirit of the Amsterdam Joint Communique and the Framework Agreement, wherein Nagalim's unique history, Nagalim sovereignty, the Naga national flag, and the Naga national constitution are officially recognized and acknowledged. He also thanked Centre, Government of Nagaland, Government of Manipur, and organizing committee for felicitating the journey of his birthplace, Somdal.
I reiterate the national decision taken by Nagalim and the Naga people on August 14, 1947 to remain a sovereign and independent nation. And May 16, 1951 plebiscite wherein we reaffirmed the national decision to be sovereign. For these historic decisions, we are truly indebted to our great leaders of the past. Only honorable negotiated agreement shall be according to the letter and spirit of the joint communique, Amsterdam Joint Communique, and the Framework Agreement that officially recognize Nagalim unique history, Nagalim sovereignty, sovereign Nagalim territory, and the Naga national flag and the Naga national constitution.